Hello friend, how are you? Hope so, doing great. Today I am talking about bikes and car. India is coming 2020s and finally March. Yeah, my pardon. My last and coming from here. So I hope you getting know. So let's start who the bike and coming from this India. So let's start. First, a car is Maruti Suzuki 2020s and price is 9.0 lakhs. So expected that is a May 22 and 2020s. I hope India is a very lot of people like this car, but it seems like that is not confirmed rate is the 9.0 lakhs. It is a increase and decrease the price of this indica coming from this launching dates, and the launching date is the 23 May. I hope this is got it. And next car is of course Gurkha 2020s. This is a Punjabi likes for this lot of people's these cars, and hope so you LRT for this event launch, and this hope for India is the May 26 for launching dates, and not confirmed because she is coming in India and 26 May. And as you know, coronavirus is this very critical areas, and coronavirus the odds country is the very dangerous mode for doing. I know you getting it. And third number BMW i3. This is a very expensive car, but I like this car, and this car is priced 1.0 crores. Alert when the launch expected launch May 22 2020, and hope so you know. And this very good cars, and average is a 22 and 25 I think maybe, but not confirmed because is coming from this India 22 May, and after all checking all lot of peoples. And number 4 Audi e-trons. This is a very expensive car, and a lower woman is the not survive this car, and very expensive 1.5 crores, and expected launching date and May 25 and 2020s. Hope so. And this is a very expensive car, I know that. And number 5 Hero Electrics AE29's prime is a very shame 85,000 rupees, and this is a launching June, not confirmed date. And hope so this is a very good bike and electric bikes, and India is electric bike is future is dependent for this electric bike, not petrol and diesel. As you know, not expected a lot of people is petrol diesels, and I wish this is coming from this India is very big population in this very usual bikes, and hope so coming from India, and let's try it. And next bike is the Hero Extreme 160R. Price is 19 and 19.5, not on road, and the price is increased and decreased, not safety for this accurate amount. And maybe this bike is coming from my 2020s, and not describe the coronavirus for at least. This is a very difficult problem is country. And happy personality is the very like Honda Extreme 160R. I know a lot of people is dislike bike. And next bike is a Honda Extreme 200R. This is a racing bike, and this price is the very shameless, and the 93,400 rupees, and alert when the launching for this June, at least not confirmed date, and this surety for this India, and coming from this lot of people like this and waiting for this bike is coming from India and purchase this bike, not injure for this coronavirus in the stay for home and save your family. So next bike seeing Bugatti Panigale B2. This is a very expensive bike, but I like bike, but mine are trains and 16 locks, and this bike is coming date is May 2020, and not confirm date exact, because this is a very expensive. A lot of people of like for this India's comic and purchasing. So as you know, this bike is a very expensive 16 lakh, and 16 lakh is this bike for Swift Desire, Indigo. I think a lot of more cars purchasing. All people's like this same bike purchasing before. After that you have this bike for this four-wheeler, not interested for two-wheeler, and 16 lakh. But lot of people is the like bike and waiting for coming when coming in the India and the purchase this bike. I hope so you got it. Skoda Koroqa. This is a very good four-wheeler cars, and price is the not expensive, but lot of people is the expensive, and poor middle families not survive this car. And this car is priced the 20 lakh, and maybe this is right date for 20 May 2020 is the launching date. And same thing is the lot of people are waiting for this car and purchasing, and this drive how to drive car, and how to comfortable this car, and how to very extremely for this getting, and this very equality sense of this accurate and the value for this car, and this how many price is the expensive. Second bike is the Tundra Stream Triples. Bike is very important, and the racing bike for this average is 280 meter, and very fast racing bike. And this price and about the 8 and 12 lakhs, and this not confirmed date, and month is the confirm for May and 2020, but not sure it is the May is coming. Hope so this is coming, and lot of people just waiting for this bike and purchasing and enjoying for life. And what is the rate of the 8 and 12 lakh, and the what is the included bike in wheeled system and gear, clutch, accelerator, extra, and headlight is the most important features, and back is the disc brake, two side and two cover. I hope guys today's video is like, and please you video is like and share, and please subscribe this, because my channel is the not fun topics, a lot of topics included, and YouTube videos, educational news, and entertainment, a lot of things. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching video. Good day, stay home and safe.